How to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file issue. Are you facing the frustrating ChatGPT unable to upload file error? Don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, let's understand why this error occurs. It can happen due to 1. Unsupported file formats. 2. Exceeding file size limits. 3. Browser or system issues. ChatGPT supports specific file formats like PDFs, TXT, and some image formats. If your file isn't supported, you'll need to convert it. Also, ensure your file size is within the allowed limit, usually a few MBs. If it's too large, consider compressing it using online tools or software. If your file is supported and within size limits, the problem might be your browser or internet connection. Here's what to do. 1. Clear your browser cache. 2. Make sure you're using the latest version of a supported browser like Chrome or Edge. And ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can interrupt file uploads. If everything checks out but the issue persists, try restarting your browser or computer. Then log back into ChatGPT and retry uploading your file. As a last resort, you can reach out to OpenAI support for assistance. Provide details about the issue and any error messages you received. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the unable to upload file error in ChatGPT. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.